the parties have agreed that between now and the 30th of this month of April, there will be meetings held between the parties under the chair of the Minister of Labour to complete those discussions which are even now still outstanding. And that is to say, so far as all of us should be able to see, that the letter of the 4th of April was a letter to the workers and to the union that left more questions to be answered, and that those questions will need to be answered. And there are a number of things which will be dealt with when those meetings are held, including an effective date for separation, including the question of voluntary separation, all of which were on the table before, based on people being more than 60 years, but based on other considerations. There will be the question as well regarding the skills that are required to maintain efficiency and proper functioning at Portvale. There will be a concern regarding what are the criteria for employment, again set down in the correspondence among the parties, but never properly addressed during the discussions. There will be the matter of how there will be effective operational functioning between now and when a successor plan will be set up to replace Portvale. And then there are some issues which will take place in the operational flow of work at Portvale from the beginning of the crushing of the canes down to the time when cane sugar is bagged. And another very important issue you should take note of is that another subject which we have already served notice on the employers about, and which the minister is aware of, is the need for improvement in the labor management consultative process. When you put all of those things together and recognize that those will be the basis for discussions before this matter is properly resolved, it should be possible for everybody in Barbados to recognize that this was not airy-fairy mad rush by any person, shouting or not shouting, to deal with any matter except the matter of respect, dignity, and proper consideration of workers at all levels in our country. We are pleased that we have been able, under the chair of the minister, to reach this level of discussion, but I'm hoping that goodwill, which threatened to be lost during the stoppage, that goodwill will reassert itself, and that we will all work assiduously in the same direction that the BWU and our colleagues were working, that is to make sure that we bring about the best there can be for the industry and for its rehabilitation.